Hello and welcome back to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to stop Microsoft Teams from opening on a startup. Let's have a look now. To begin, open your Microsoft Teams application on your computer. In the top right corner of the Teams interface, click on your profile picture. In the menu that appears, select Manage Account. This will open the Teams settings menu. Navigate to the General tab. Look for the Auto Start Application option. Toggle this off to prevent Microsoft Teams from launching automatically when you start your computer. Close the settings menu and your changes will take effect. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.